Okay, so in the second video, we'll be looking at still the rate of motion, but with a different type of the question. So you have this question here, which says a car travels east with a speed of 50.0 kilometers per hour. Then raindrops are falling at a constant speed vertically with respect to the earth. The traces of the rain on the side window of the car make an angle of 60.0. With the vertical, find the velocity of the rain respect to the what? To the car. So what are we calculating here? We are calculating the velocity of the rain with respect to the what? To the car. So in this situation, what are you supposed to do? The best way that you can do is to draw so that you can understand what is happening here. So if this is the car, like that, right? It's going this side. It's traveling east with a speed of what? 50 kilometer per hour, right? It's going like that. Then you have the rain that is falling vertically, like that, right? Since the car is moving this direction and you have the window here, and the rains, which is the raindrops, are falling at the constant what? Vertical speed, right? That is making the traces of the rain on the side of the window of the car make an angle of what? 60. So meaning that they're dropping this side at an angle of what? 60, right? So since they're dropping at an angle of 60, you shall check that here this is 60, right? This means that if after drawing that, to be very easy now to illustrate. So this side, it is the rain respect to the what? To the earth. Then this side, this is the car. So we have rain with respect to the what? To the car. Then this side, it is the car respect to the earth, because that's where the car is what? Moving like that. If you check out, right? So this side, it is the car respect to the earth, but this side it will be the rain respect to the earth. Then this side, this is where the window of the car is. So meaning that it's rain respect to the car, right? So like you have rain, it's dropping at the window, then it's coming down to the earth. So this is how the illustration is. So meaning that it makes an angle of what? Right angled what? Triangle. So this side is 50 kilometer per hour. How about this side? It is rain respect to the earth. This side, it is rain respect to the car. So the first question says find the velocity of the rain with respect to the car. So we say rain respect to the what? To the car. So meaning that it is for this side. Remember here, what's the angle here? 60, right? So for you to calculate that one, we shall use what we call SOHCAHTOA. Why SOHCAHTOA? Because that's the right angled what? Triangle, right? So here you have the opposite to this side. This is hypotenuse and this is the adjacent. So which among of these are we calculating? We're calculating the what? We're calculating the hypotenuse. Remember that you have the opposite. So which one is suitable? It is sine. So it will be sine theta equal to opposite over hypotenuse, right? So sine what? 60. What's the opposite? The opposite side, this side, it is the car respect to the earth. So it is the car respect to the earth over. What is hypotenuse? It is the rain respect to the car. So now let's substitute, which is sine here 60 equal to car respect to the earth. What is there? It is 50 over RC, rain respect to the car, over. We cross multiply, meaning that RC times that to be RC here sine 60 equal to 50, then divide by sine 60 over sine 60. This part and this part will divide. You have RC equal to, so what is RC? The RC to be 57.7 meters, just like that. Then the other one, let me just remove this part. Then the other one, so this is the first question. How about the second question? So we are find the velocity of the rain with respect to the earth. Which side exact? It is this side. So since it is this side, remember SOHCAHTOA, right? So SOHCAHTOA, we have the opposite and adjacent. Which part is that one? That is tan. So you have to say tan theta equal to opposite over adjacent. So tan 60 equal to, what's the opposite? 50 over the adjacent is what? Rain in respect to the earth. So I'll say this time that, meaning it will be RE times tan 60 equal to 50. So you divide here. So RE is equal to, when you divide there, what will be the answer that you get? It will be 28.9 meters. So this is the answer, and this is also the what? The answer. Just like that, simple and straightforward.